Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have bring a good strategy for you. First of all, if you are new in my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and open bell icon button. Guys, this is Ichimoku indicator strategy that I am showing you here to making a lot of profit every day. First of all, focus on two color of clouds. You are watching that there is a green and a red cloud here. So what is the meaning of these both clouds? First of all, you have to just focus if red cloud starts, so you can catch more spike, and if green cloud starts, so you can put a buy position for long trade and make a huge profit every day. Okay guys, so let's test this strategy that how we can make a huge profit. First of all, you are watching that we are using 0.50 lot size here, and you can check that 0.50 lots as if you use and catch a spike with red cloud. You are watching that 8.69 USD. You can hit this profit here. So 70,371 points you will hit for making a huge profit. Or let's see green cloud check. Let's check a green cloud. You see, if you buy position here, example, if you are if you have buy your position for this cloud, and you see that you have made $13 with this single strategy with one lot size with 0.5 lot size. So guys, this is the best and one of the success Ichimoku strategy. So guys, if you will use this Ichimoku strategy here to making a huge profit, so you can never lose your money. You see the biggest is the big one of the big entry here. Okay, let's show me. You see, if you put a 0.50 lot size here for making a big profit, you see I am zooming out this chart. You see that so many spikes you catch at 90.765 USD you hit. It's mean you can make $100 just in a day with this huge strategy. Okay, let's show me the setting of this Ichimoku indicator. So you can go and click on the main chart. You will find the Ichimoku indicator. You see that Tenkan Sen is 5, Kijun Sen is 3, and Senko Span B is 49, and you have to fill this color. And if you're using a black chart, so you have to make these 3 pixel black. If you're using white so you can use a white these 3 pixels, and up combo and down combo you have to set green and red. Then you have to put the option of save, and back on the chart you will find this chart like that, and make a huge profit. Please hit the bell icon button and like this video, share with your friends. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, so check the description for contact. You can contact me. I have a throat problem, so sorry for interfering in this video like I am sounding, but just don't worry and make a huge money. Thank you guys, I'm helping you forever here.